guys, it is 7:48 a.m. Monday, December 23rd. We didn't vlog at all yesterday because unexpectedly we babysat not only the four-legged furry grand dog, but also the human grandson. Yeah, so we didn't get a chance to vlog or anything, and when the kids finally did come pick up their two children, they couldn't go home right away because the house cleaner was still at their place. And so they ended up having dinner with us, all unexpected, just all it's fine. But yeah, so I didn't have a chance to pick up the camera. I did get some more work done on my little knit hat that I'm working on. And this morning I have some gifts to wrap, a few more last minute gifts to wrap. Then I can put the Christmas gift wrap away. Yay! We also have to go to the store one more time. Bob is off though, getting the oil changed in the Subaru, and I'm gonna finish my coffee before I do anything else. All right, I'll be back. Hey guys, we just got home a little while ago from the second of 3 Christmas celebrations. Yep. At our daughter's house. Her husband is from Lithuania, and so we had a traditional Lithuanian Christmas Eve dinner. Yep. And then White Elephant gift exchange, which was really fun. I will put a couple pictures here of the table that she set up. She did a very beautiful job setting up the table and the food and everything. My house won't look nearly as good tomorrow for dinner 3 of 3. But it'll look pretty good. I'll try to get some footage for you or some pictures or something. Anyway, it was a lot of fun. I'm having fun, resuscitating my knitting, over the Christmas holiday, along with making the amigurumi. I say resuscitating because it's long dead and expired, but I'm working on it. I've made 1 beanie. I'm starting on beanie number 2. I'll never probably do more than beanies and scarves. I mean, you never know, but probably not. But it's fun anyways. But anyway, it's pretty late. We're going to sit and chill for a little bit and then go to bed. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. It is 11:47 a.m. Thursday, December 26th. I didn't vlog anything or much the last couple of days. It's just been crazy busy with Christmas and the holidays and family, and 3 different family Christmas celebrations. The last one last night, and Bob and I are exhausted. We did finally get everything put away. We have lots of leftovers as per usual, but that's okay. What we don't eat in the next day or two, we will either give away or freeze or something. Anyway, it's been pretty good. I haven't gotten much creativity done. I did get some really cute Christmas gifts though, mostly from husband. This is one of them. I love that. He also got me a wooden accordion sewing box. I'll put a picture here somewhere. I have a couple options for what I'm going to put in it and how I'm going to use it. So it might go through a couple of different iterations. We'll see. But I've wanted one for a long time, so happy to have that. Today is just about staying home, catching up on laundry and dishes, which are done. Husband helped me with that between last night and this morning. And relaxing. I am currently taking some Emergen-C because all the kids that I've been near recently, including grandson, are coming down with colds, getting colds, snarly, crabby. Yeah, and I have a sore throat. So yeah. Is it asthma? Maybe. Is it a cold? Maybe. I don't know. So we're taking some precautions. So anyway, I'm just going to relax today. I'm going to have some lunch pretty soon and keep it light. And yeah, we'll see what happens today. All right, I'll be back. Hi guys. Well, we are starting the Friday after Christmas off with shopping. Not fun shopping, We have to go to Costco and the grocery store. Not for a lot because we have a ton of leftovers, but we are out of a couple of things. Essentials, yeah. So we're gonna go do that. I was telling Bob earlier and making him laugh because last night I cast on a new hat. I kind of discovered why I picked up my dead and dying knitting skills. I have to focus on what I'm doing, and it's very slow and calming for me, and I think that's why Christmas was kind of chaotic. I think that's why I started doing that. But anyway, last night I cast on a new hat, and I cast it on 3 different times. I kept pulling it out thinking I was doing it wrong and that I was missing the stitches. It was gray and black yarn, and I was working under the light, but I think I was just tired, and I think I'm fighting getting grandson's cold. And so anyway, this morning I picked it up and started working on it again. I don't know what I was thinking. It looks fine. I was just tired.
It was dark.
It was dark. I was tired. I don't know.
Couldn't see.
Yeah. So anyway, it's kind of a fuzzy yarn. So if there are any mistakes, nobody's going to know but me. So it's fine. So anyway, we're going to go run some errands. I don't know what else we'll get up to, and we'll find out. I'll be back. Good morning, guys. Do I look like I still have a cold? Because I do. Junior has shared his cold. Anyway, Bob and adopted son-in-law Brian are headed over to the Armory to do some Christmas shopping for themselves, and I'm gonna go to Bi-Mart and H-Mart and do some shopping for myself, because why not? I'll be back. All right, guys, I thought a lot about how to end this week's vlog, and I've been thinking about this for quite a while, and I think this is a good way to end it. So, more than 12 years ago, yeah, I started my YouTube channel. I can't believe it. I uploaded my first video in, according to YouTube, 2013, but it could have been 2012. Things have been shuffled around a lot since then. I never imagined that it would turn into this crazy, incredible journey that it's been. Over the years, I've learned so much about not just creating content, but about myself and about what it means to build a community and the power of this platform to connect to people in all walks of life. Yes, I am reading something over that way. I've had the honor of sharing my passions, my mistakes, my growth, my victories, all with all of you. Whether you've been here from the very beginning or you've just discovered my channel, your support has been the driving force behind everything I do. You've made this journey meaningful, and I'll never take that for granted. To my subscribers, viewers, fellow creators, and everyone who's been a part of this experience, thank you. You've helped me evolve, you've challenged me, you've inspired me in ways I can't fully express. As I look back, I'm filled with gratitude for each comment, every like, every share, every memory we've made together. Here's to the years of growth, learning, and connection, and who knows what the next chapter holds, but whatever comes, I'll always carry this amazing experience with me. Thank you for being part of it. If I can do it, so can you. Don't forget to go out and do something nice for yourself because you deserve it. Thank you so much for being here with me. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.